loves, so today I am going to be doing a product review on the ARTEZA paint set. So today the one I'm going to talk about is the ARTEZA 24 set acrylic color premium. So this box has a bunch of beautiful acrylic paints in here that I'm going to review, and I'm also going to be doing a pour on. So before I get into this, I want to say thank you so much to ARTEZA for sending me these beautiful paint sets and the watercolors and the canvases. But before I go on, guys, the company has everything from pens to brushes, markers, quilting supplies, canvases, panels, pencils, sketchbooks, papers, paints. I mean, they have it all. The prices are amazing, and I absolutely love the packaging. So let's get into this. So this is the 24 pack, guys, and this is $21.57. First of all, you guys know this, I love packaging. This packaging is fantastic. So if I get a package that holds all my paints in it, and I don't have to worry about storage, I'm already sold. Second off, right on the top of it, they show you all the colors that come in the box and all the names on it. Something that I love about this box is that you don't have one yellow, one orange, one red, one blue. Literally, you have the gradual changing colors. You have so many different greens, so many different blues and purples and the yellows and the oranges and the maroons, and it's just really great because if you don't want to mix colors or if you're not good at mixing colors, you have such a wide range. So that is that. Now let's get into the box. So the box comes right off, and there are these amazing trays. So let's do it this way. So these are really great. So you have these awesome tubes. Something that I love also about any type of paint is when they come in these aluminum type tubes, because you can get every single ounce of color out of there because you can roll it up and push all the paint out. When you have tubes that are all in the big plastic ones, it's really hard to get every single thing out of there, and paint is expensive, so love this packaging. So these are the yellows and the oranges. And really amazing colors, guys. Again, I love the range. And I like these little trays. It's so organized, so great. Here we are. So why don't we open them up and see what they look like when you open them. So this is the pale green. It has the name right over here. It has all the information on there. Easy twist off cap. It's already open for you, and it comes right out. The color seems super pigmented, super beautiful. So now I'm really excited to see how this is going to pour. So let's get started. Alright everybody, here we are. So let's mix our paints. So it is raining currently in LA, and it's going to be raining all week, and I feel like spring is coming and all the beautiful colors of spring are going to be coming back. So I decided to use spring colors. Bright, beautiful colors. So I'm going to use the color rose, orange yellow, mid yellow, violet, pale green, and titanium white. So what I'm going to be mixing my paint, guys, with today is my Flood Floetrol, my 3-in-1 silicone oil, and I will be using just a little bit of regular water just to dilute my paint a little bit more if I need to. And that is it. So also, guys, if you don't know where to get any of these supplies, so remember, I'm going to put the links to everything I use in the description of this video. So here we go. Okay, so right off the bat, everybody, first thing I want to say is that these colors are incredibly gorgeous, and the actual paints in the tubes are a lot brighter than the tag that's on here. So if you can see right over here, the orange is so much brighter than the orange that is on here. So all the colors are like that. The consistency of the paint, it's not super thick and it's not super thin. It has a medium consistency, which I love, because then you can play with it the way you want to. So I'm gonna get mixing. Now I have my paints mixed and ready to go, and I am going to be pouring on the canvases that ARTEZA sent me. These are the 11 by 14. They come in a pack of 8, really well packaged. They seem really nicely stretched, so let's open this up and let's see how they feel. Alright, so here we are. So the canvas itself feels nice and thick. It's very, very smooth, stapled really well, pulled really well. So I am loving these already. So I am going to balance these on some small plastic shot glasses that I have, and I'm going to go ahead and get ready to pour. My review for these paints are 100%. I love them. The pigments are incredible. The colors are so bright. There's such a wide range of these paints, and look how beautifully they poured. Certain paints I feel like don't pour that well. I love this one, so I definitely am going to be using this again. So there is a link in the description of this video where you can click on it and use the code provided again in the description area to save 10% on these pack of paints. So everybody, click on there, save your 10%, get the money, make these beautiful paintings. Everybody, I hope you guys learned. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up for this video. Make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you follow ARTEZA on all their social media to keep up with everything that they have. So I will talk to you guys soon.